In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a front bumper on a Nissan Maxima. It is located on the front of the vehicle. Let's get started. We're going to open our hood and locate this front bumper trim. Held down by push pin clips. I'm going to remove those using a trim tool. Now lift and remove the panel and set it aside. We're going to move underneath the bumper, and on the corners we're going to locate 4 Phillips head screws. Go ahead and remove those. I'll repeat this for the other side. Now in the front part underneath the bumper, we're going to locate 5 10mm screws and remove those as well. Now I'm going to take a plastic trim tool to pry the fender liner up and out so I can gain access to my 10mm bolts. Now let's remove that bolt. I'll repeat this for the other side. Now let's remove the corner of the bumper from the fender. Pull away, undo the clips. Do the same under the headlight, pull the clips away, and do the same for the other side. Now pull away the bumper from the vehicle. Now while holding the bumper up, I'm going to remove all 3 of my electrical connectors. 2 for the fog lights, pull up the tab and push down. And 1 for the parking sensor. Do the same for the other side. Now pull the bumper away, and there it is. Let's go ahead and reinstall our fog light and parking sensor connections. Slide them up and over. Fully push in to seat them. And repeat this for the other side. Now let's fully mount our bumper to the vehicle. Slide it over in place. Now on the corners of the bumper, you're going to find a series of clips. Push them fully in. Now let's reinstall our engine bay trim panel. Slide it over in place. Make sure the hood latch goes over. Align the holes on the bumper and reinstall your push pin clips. Now I'm going to peel back my fender liner with a plastic trim tool. And we can reinstall our corner 10mm bolt. and reinstall your fender liner. And repeat this for the other side. Now we're going to move on under the vehicle, and on the corners of the bumpers, reinstall our 4 Phillips head screws. Now repeat this for the other side. Now let's reinstall our 5 10mm splash shield bolts. Just snug these down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.